Can you explain this is what a cylinder is for? This is Harley Davidson.
Nitrous oxide.
Huh?
See, it comes out of the bottle, gets sprayed in here.
Okay.
And it gives you an extra 30 or 50 horsepower, depending on what the jet is in here. So if the motor has 100 horsepower, and I have 50 horsepower jet in here, it gives you another 50 horsepower right now.
Wow. Back tire roll. Let's say this is 150 horsepower, then I put another 50.
It'll be 200 horse.
Crazy. So this is the thing, the cylinder. What is inside the cylinder?
No, it's a gas. You know, laughing gas. You know when you go to a dentist and they freeze your mouth,
yes,
they give you. This is nitrous oxide for automotive. You can't breathe this because they put a chemical in there to make it poisonous, so you can't. Crackheads can't buy this stuff to breathe it. They have medical nitrous, and what it does is it's got 2 parts oxygen and 2 parts nitrogen, and there's 900 psi in here. 900 psi.
High pressure.
Yeah, high pressure, and it sprays it in as a gas, and it basically doubles the fuel and air mixture going into the engine. It gives you 4 times as much oxygen with the gas spraying in, and it's instant horsepower.
So this all works. Thank you.